Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean the throttle body on your vehicle. So the first thing you need to do is actually locate the throttle body on your vehicle. All of them are in different positions on different vehicles, but pretty much the same setup. You can see mine is right here. It was right behind this hose that goes to the air box. So if you have trouble finding yours, just locate the air box where you change the air filter, follow the hose to see what it goes into, and it'll look just like this. After you locate the throttle body on your vehicle, you're going to need to pick up a can of throttle body cleaner, which you could pick up at your local parts store. Alright, so after you got the throttle body cleaner on your rag, what you're going to do is you're going to need to open this up. So you don't want to use a screwdriver because you don't want to put any gashes in there or anything like that. So you can just go ahead and use your finger. Usually it's not that hard to open. And then you could just hold it open like that. Take the rag that you put the fluid on, and then you want to wipe everything really good, just to get out any dirt or debris that's in there. And you're gonna do that on both sides. You could already see the dirt coming off of there. Wipe that down, clean out the outside as well. Then you're gonna go ahead and put the hose back on the way you took it off. Make sure when you're putting it on, you make sure it's sealed all the way around before you tighten it down. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and comment. Don't forget to like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.